Hey guys, what is going on? This is Baver here. We're here today reviewing the MG100 RX79. And this one was the series from the MS Squadron.
Yep. This that motherfucking smooth shit. Kid gon' murder ink. No, I'm not on no job rule shit. Living life real groovy. Chillin' with my goonies. I'm rolling up a doobie. I pass that off to Junie.
Well, thank you for tuning in, everyone, and I will hopefully get more video and content out for, I guess, my individual collection here that I've been slowly accumulating over the past 5 years or so. So, yeah, thank you very much, and speak to you guys soon.